James Lewis in Weeki Wachee Florida. I had an Eversafe building built about 1.5 years ago. Was very happy with the workmanship, the timeliness of having the building done. I'm a tile contractor and I use this as my main base of operation. My office and everything is within the building. And it has served its purpose and I've been very, very happy with it. My building is a 30 by 40 with a 10 by 12 in the front, an entrance door here in the front, a 10 by 10 door on the side, 12-foot side walls, 312 pitch on the roof. And it has a good wind code, everything that comes with it. Vertical side walls with a vertical roof panels. If you're looking to put up a metal building, Eversafe will take good care of you. They built a quality building and I've been very happy with the building.